0 to 75 miles an hour, hydraulic launch, 150-foot top hat. Ladies and gentlemen, the Storm Runner is open and running once again after a year and a half of downtime. They were waiting on a piece from Swiss manufacturer Intamin, who was not able to provide what they needed due to the coronavirus pandemic. Borders were closed. Hydraulic pieces could not be shipped. We have never been more excited to be at Hersheypark here today, including Chocolate Town. Forget Chocolate Town. Chocolate Town's great, but I don't care a whiff about it today. Today is all about Storm Runner. Let's get on this launch coaster, everyone.
Get ready, here we go.
Just rode Storm Runner not once, but twice in a row. Got in line, got in the front row, got back out of line, got back in line again, and it was flawless both times. Smoothest it's ever been. I am so excited to be on my home park, home ride once again. Welcome back, Storm Runner.